student of class 10. In this video, I will be solving you Madhyamik 2018 Geography question paper. In our first video of question paper solving, already given the question pattern. So first, let's start with MCQ of 14 marks. The gorge formed in the arid region is called canyon. The Barfoot Delta formed in the mouth of a river, Mississippi, Missouri. The meteors that comes toward the earth get destroyed in the layer called mesosphere. Tornado, the most destructive tropical cyclone of the world, is called, in USA it is called Twister. The merging of the cold Labrador current and warm Gulf Stream current create a dense foggy and stormy weather condition along Newfoundland coast. On the day of neap tide, the sun and the moon is at 90 degrees in respect to the earth. The following waste material in non-biodegradable by nature is called plastic waste. The Telangana state is formed by the separation of Andhra Pradesh. The plain formed along the foothills of the Shivalik is deposition of small rock fragments is called bhabar. The example of one salt lake of India is Pangong Lake. Laterite soil is formed in the western slope of Western Ghats. Wheat is a rabi crop. The proposed furthest national highway, which will connect Sri Lanka in the north and Kanyakumari in the south, is North-South Corridor. The satellite sent by India is IRS. Now, true false. Of 6 marks. Potholes are formed at the base of the waterfall. False. The air pressure is measured by the help of 14 barometer. True. The change of season is observed in equatorial region. False. The drought condition developed in the western coast of South America due to the influence of El Nino in Pacific Ocean. True. The evergreen forest found in the states of Bihar and Chhattisgarh. False. Petrochemical industry is called modern petroleum giant. True. Platform is a place from where satellites are installed. True. Now fill in the blanks. 6 marks. According to the name of which river the zigzag course of a river is called meander? It is Meanderis in Asia Minor, Turkey. Horizontal and parallel cracks forms and the fractures formed on the surface of the glacier are called crevices. Temperature increases with the increase of altitude in the atmosphere is called inversion of temperature. During high tide, huge tidal waves enter into the mouth of a river from sea is known as tidal bore. Dash is the highest part of Meghalaya plateau. Dash is the highest part of Meghalaya plateau. It is called Shillong. According to 2011 census, the percentage of literacy in India is 74.04%. Now, one word, answer in one word. It is also of 6 marks. What is the name of the sandy desert in Sahara? It is called Rake. In which layer of the atmosphere jet stream flies? Stratosphere. What is the main food of marine fish? It is planktons. Name one radioactive waste. Thorium, uranium, etc. Anything you can write. Which is the longest river of South India? Godavari. In which forest of India line is found? Gir. Name the common multi-purpose river valley project of states of Jharkhand and West Bengal, DVC or Damodar Valley Corporation. In which type of map relief is shown by contour line? Topographical map. Now there is one match the column of 4 marks. Tal is the lake. Jhum cultivation, it is found in causes soil erosion. Chikmagalur is in coffee research and Benares diesel in railway engine. Now answer in brief. 2 marks. 6 into 2, 2 marks. How are deflation hollows formed? You know deflation hollows are formed by the action of the wind. When the wind carries the sand particles from desert region to the nearby area, hollow formed in the desert is called deflation hollow. The most important example is Katara deflation hollows formed in Arab. Next, what is ice burst? Ice burst is a floating mass of ice. 1/6 of it is visible. How the segregation of waste can be done? Segregation of waste. And next, the recycling of the waste. Recycling is a process by which the waste can be again the same thing can be recycled again and again. Name two physiographic divisions of Karnataka Plateau, Malnad and Maidan. Malnad is the hilly region and Maidan is the plain region. Mention the purpose of rainwater harvesting. You know, rainwater harvesting is a very common phenomenon in Tamil Nadu, where rainwater is stored during the rainy season in reservoirs or tanks, and afterwards that water is used for different purpose. Next, what is the importance of terrace cultivation, or what is sustainable development? You can write terrace cultivation, that is step cultivation, or sustainable development is a development so that we can use resource in such a way that can be stored, we can use for present purpose, and some part we can use for future generation. What do you mean by satellite imagery? The images taken by the help of satellite is called satellite imagery. Now define topographical map. The map that shows the details of the relief features by the help of contours is called topographical map. Now 3 marks answer, 3 into 4 equal to 12 marks. Now explain why deltas are formed at the mouth of the river. Here you have to write the at least 4 points given in your book, the points why deltas formation formed at the mouth. Or there is one more question, why does temperature decreases with increasing altitude? Here you have to write the lapse rate portion and why this happened, because of the density. What are the methods of controlling gaseous waste? That is, you have to write here that that scrubber method which are used for this purpose. How the reduction of waste made, how we can reduce waste, that is source collection, but that at this initial stage we can reduce the generation of waste. Now discuss in brief the main measures adopted by the conservation of the forest, or what do you mean by modern communication system. Now what is the difference between topographical map and satellite imagery? Given in your book properly, and state the uses of topographical map. Why are they used? They are used for climatic reason, for military reasons, etc. Now 5 marks answer. Here for regional geography 5 into 2, physical geography 5 into 2, means 10, 10, 20. Now first the physical geography. Discuss with sketches the major landforms produced by fluvioglacial. Here fluvioglacial means you have to write the introduction. Fluvioglacial means fluvial plus glacial. Introduction and the points like Drumlin, then Eskers, these fluvioglacial landforms along with diagram. Then explain with sketches the origin of the direction of planetary winds of the world. Planetary winds means trade wind, westerlies and polar winds. One diagram, that is the circle diagram with the latitudes, means pressure belts, and the means wind directions. Next, discuss the major factors for tropical monsoon type of climate, that is also given in your classwork copy, and origin of ocean current properly given in your book, the factors 5 points at least along with introduction. Then the regional part first given the Western Himalayas division, that is given properly along with introduction. Now the condition for the growth of cotton in India, introduction, all the points, use black pen and bullet points to highlight the answers, and one map to show the cotton producing region of India. Now iron and steel industry why developed in eastern India, that is again the introduction. Now the points, suppose points raw material, then labor, then climate, now water. In this way the points in black pen, explain the points in blue pen, and one map of India showing the some cotton textile industry of eastern India, iron and steel industry of eastern India, like Jamshedpur you can mention, Durgapur you can mention. These are all in eastern India, show in a map of India. Now causes of urbanization of India. Now causes of urbanization in urban area, there are different, though we have not completed this part in your book, so you can you will read the chapter. When we will read, we will discuss. There are several points. In urban areas there are proper employment opportunity, job opportunity, then educational facilities, people try to come here. So when we will discuss this point, we will discuss. Then last part, the map pointing. This is also 10 marks. Map pointing here given what? Shivalik Range, River Krishna, driest region, 1 red soil, Central Forest Research Institute of India, 1 wheat producing region, Manchester of South India, natural port of Eastern India, the main administrative center of India, largest international airport of India. Now listen students, in this video you will get the PDF attached of this question given in PDF, and you should solve this answer in your classwork copy along with the map pointing and submit the copy in school so that I can check it. Thank you.